10 divided by 2 times 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 10 divided by 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And here is already 10. 10 divided by 10 will be equal to 1, which is wrong. So I have to write question again. 10 divided by 2, 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5 times 2 divided by, here is 10. So we can write it again as 10 divided by 2 times 5. So first of all we have to enter division. 10 divided by 2 will be equal to 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 will be equal to 25. So our answer in the first case, when we multiplied first and division secondly, answer was 1. But in the second case, our answer is 25 when we follow the order of operation at PEMDAS rule. So, obeying PEMDAS rule, we get the answer 25, which will be correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.